This is a surprise because I haven't really thought of giving a presentation this morning. But anyway, since it's a topic of about your parents or grandpa or dad uh, as a figure of the master of the house, I could recall that my dad had inspired me in particular of his character as true to his profession. He was an agriculturist and he worked with the government, the Philippine government, and once in a while he would tag me along with him in going to his office. I guess because he wants me to learn more of what he's doing there and the things that are going on in his job as an agriculturist. So even in the things that we had in our yard and everything, he's always there. Can't find him anywhere but at the backyard taking care of the plants that he had endeavored to grow and had something to really share with the family when the fruit trees that he had planted would be producing their fruits. So he's always very proud about that, of what he had something to, bring in to share with us. But anyway, with my grandpa, I didn't really had an occasion of knowing him because he died at a time that I wasn't born yet. But anyway, my dad passed away at an age that is really past his retirement, which is past 90, So I had really experienced a good time of my life with him. And he made sure that I really had a good experience with him. Thank you.